Today, I bring you a special message from the angels, directly to you. God is speaking to you right now, sending subtle signs that reveal the presence of someone deeply emotional, crying as they seek your final approval for love. This person, whom you know, nurtures a true and intense love for you, a profound feeling that overflows from their heart. With great courage, they have opened up and confessed this love, anxiously awaiting your response. And, believe it or not, you also feel something special for them. This discovery will be a surprising revelation, capable of transforming your life in an extraordinary way. You will find the perfect person, where every piece of the puzzle of your life fits perfectly. It's as if destiny, with its divine wisdom, has intertwined your paths for a special reason. This person is waiting with an open heart, eagerly anticipating your final approval for love. They have shown vulnerability, revealing the deepest feelings of their soul. God is whispering in your ear that this person is the right choice for you. Imagine the depth of this love that is capable of transforming your existence so significantly. It is not just a simple feeling, but something that comes from the depths of the heart, a love that makes the heart beat faster and the soul feel complete. This person by your side, waiting for your answer, is willing to face all of life's challenges with you, offering unconditional support and a true partnership. It is a love that brings with it the promise of a life filled with happiness, growth, and companionship. This revelation is not just a coincidence. It is the result of a divine plan that has aligned your paths for a greater purpose. The courage this person has shown in opening up and confessing their love is a testament to their sincerity and devotion. They are waiting, with their heart in their hands, for your answer, ready to build a life full of love and achievements by your side. God, in His infinite wisdom, is sending you clear signs so that you perceive the importance of this connection. He is saying that this person is the right choice for you, someone who understands you on a deep level and is ready to walk by your side through all stages of life. Do not ignore these divine signs. Embrace this love with open arms and allow it to transform your life in an extraordinary way. Accept the love they have to offer with open arms, for true love is not always a smooth path. When you find the person who truly fits into your life, everything unfolds perfectly. Yes, challenges will arise, and obstacles will need to be overcome, but with the unconditional support of this man by your side, you will be able to face everything life presents. And when you overcome these difficulties together, the love that binds you will be reinforced, more intense than ever. If this person makes your heart beat with a vibrant melody, and you feel you can conquer the world alongside them, do not hesitate. Accept the love they have to offer sincerely and appreciate it every moment. The connection between you will be so deep as if you have known each other for an eternity. You will understand each other on a level that no one else can comprehend. This bond, this affinity, is a true gift, a rare and precious treasure. When we find something so special, we must hold on tightly, for it is the foundation of a solid and healthy relationship. True love is a journey that requires commitment, patience, and a lot of understanding. It is not always that we find someone whose presence lights up our days and makes us feel we can face any adversity. When this person enters our life, offering genuine and profound love, it is essential to embrace this opportunity with all our strength. Remember that life is full of ups and downs, and the presence of someone who loves us unconditionally can transform even the most challenging moments into experiences of growth and learning. Embrace every moment with this special person, for the time you spend together is an invaluable gift. Appreciating each gesture of affection, each word of encouragement, and each shared smile will strengthen the bond that unites you even more. This unique connection, which seems to transcend time and space, is something that few are lucky enough to find. Therefore, value and cultivate this love with all your heart, knowing that you were destined to meet and walk together on this journey called life. Do not let fear or insecurity prevent you from fully living this relationship. Remember that true love is built on the foundation of mutual trust, respect, and dedication. By facing challenges together, you will discover that the love that unites you will become even stronger and more resilient. Every difficulty overcome will be proof of how capable you are of supporting and growing together. And in moments of joy, when hearts are light, and smiles come easily, celebrate the beauty of this love that transforms your lives. Recognize the value of this person who chose to be by your side, offering their love and dedication unconditionally. This reciprocity creates a cycle of love and support that enriches both of your lives, making each day a new opportunity to build happy and meaningful memories. The depth of the connection that will exist between you is something that must be nurtured and protected. It is this special affinity that will make you understand each other in ways that no one else can. It is as if your hearts and minds are in perfect harmony, creating an unbreakable bond that sustains the relationship even in the most challenging moments. This person will make you a better person, bringing out the best in you. They will be your inspiration to become the best version of yourself, supporting you in your goals and dreams. They will push you to grow, to learn, to constantly improve. With them by your side, you will have someone who loves you unconditionally and believes in your potential. This confidence and motivation will be powerful engines to achieve everything you desire in life. With this special person, you will find the strength to overcome any obstacle. He will be your safe harbor in times of difficulty, always offering words of encouragement and gestures of support. His constant presence and unwavering faith in your abilities will create an environment where you feel capable of achieving anything. Every success you achieve will be celebrated with enthusiasm, and every failure will be seen as an opportunity for learning and growth. Together, you will form an unbeatable team, where mutual support and trust will be the pillars of your relationship. You will share the same values and goals, aspire to the same achievements, and be ready to walk together in pursuit of these dreams. This shared vision creates an indissoluble bond between you, providing the motivation and support needed to achieve your goals, overcoming all adversities that arise along the way. This person will fully accept you, with all your imperfections and flaws. He will not try to change you or turn you into someone you're not. Instead, he will love you unconditionally, bringing true joy to your life. The unconditional love this person will offer you will be a solid foundation for your personal growth. Knowing that you have someone by your side who accepts you exactly as you are, with all your qualities and imperfections, will give you a sense of security and freedom. This total acceptance will allow you to explore your capabilities without fear of judgment or rejection. From this foundation of love and acceptance, you will feel encouraged to pursue your most ambitious dreams, knowing that you have a partner who will be there to support you every step of the way. This relationship, built on the foundation of mutual respect and shared goals, will be a constant source of joy and fulfillment. With each new challenge you face together, the strength of your bond will become even more evident. You will learn to trust each other deeply and meaningfully, creating a partnership that is both strong and flexible. This partnership will allow you to navigate life's complexities with a sense of purpose and direction, always knowing that you have each other to rely on. Moreover, the love and acceptance you will share will serve as a model of a healthy and rewarding relationship. Through your example, others will see the power of a love based on unconditional acceptance and mutual support. You will become a source of inspiration, showing that it is possible to build a life together that is rich in meaning and happiness. This love will not only transform your lives, but will also positively impact the lives of those around you, creating a circle of love and support that extends beyond the two of you. You will feel like you are living the best version of yourself and have a partner who supports you unconditionally, regardless of the circumstances. This happiness is a precious treasure, hard to find, and when we do, we must cherish it. He will give you the strength and resilience to face all the challenges that come your way. You will feel loved and appreciated, and this will have a profound impact on your life. You will feel truly seen, heard, and valued, which will become a constant source of strength and comfort in the most challenging moments. This person will see the best in you and will always be by your side, supporting you in all your battles. He will make you feel safe and protected, someone you can trust unconditionally. With patience, kindness, and understanding, he will show his appreciation and always recognize your efforts and achievements. You will feel fully seen and validated, feeling loved and appreciated. Your self-esteem and confidence will flourish, allowing you to face life's challenges with even more resilience. You will never feel alone again, for gratitude and a deep sense of belonging and meaning will fill your life. Every moment shared with this person will be a reaffirmation of the value of true love. As you feel valued and respected, you will notice a significant increase in your self-esteem and confidence. This emotional support will be crucial for facing life's difficulties with courage and determination. Knowing that you have someone by your side who understands and supports you unconditionally will make every challenge easier to overcome and every victory sweeter. This relationship will provide a deep sense of belonging and meaning, filling your life with gratitude and contentment. You will never feel alone again, for you will always have someone who loves and supports you. This feeling of emotional security will allow you to focus on what really matters, building a full and satisfying life alongside this special man. God's message is clear. This kind of acceptance and love is rare. When found, it must be cherished. It fills your soul with deep love and offers an incredible life experience. Be open to embracing this extraordinary blessing in your life and be ready to receive more divine grace. Type I am ready to receive it today, as a sign of your willingness to welcome this extraordinary blessing into your life. Open yourself to the divine love that is within your reach and let this special connection illuminate your path. You deserve this love and the happiness it brings. Be ready for an exciting journey, full of love, growth, and achievements alongside this special man. Remember, you are never alone. The angels are by your side, guiding your steps and enveloping you with their unconditional love. Allow their wings to embrace you and move forward with confidence, knowing that you are loved and supported by the divine. Until our next angelic encounter, may the light of the angels continue to illuminate your path and may you find peace, love, and joy every step of your journey. May you be abundantly blessed. Amen. Accept this message and let it transform your life. Be ready to welcome this extraordinary blessing and allow divine love to illuminate your path. Believe that you deserve all this love and the happiness it brings. Open your heart and let this special connection blossom, bringing growth, joy, and achievements alongside someone who loves you unconditionally. Move forward with confidence, knowing that the angels are by your side, guiding your every step with love and protection.